Hey guys, it's Ryan, and look came in the mail today. So let's get these things unboxed and take a look at them. Which one do I open first? White or black? Black, of course. All right, let's take a look here, what we got. Surprised they don't have an easier way to open the wrapping. Usually they're pretty good at that. Now, before I open this thing, I want to show you just a couple of others that we have that we've used before in the past, right? This is what I've gotten. And this is by no means getting these, like actually paying money for these. This crappy little guy right here, the Amazon Dot, I got for buying something on Amazon. I can't even remember what it was. But we bought something, this came with it, garbage. The Google Home Mini. This we got with purchasing, I think it was a Nest, one of the Nest products. Can't really remember. But this actually sounds pretty good. I was surprised. This has some good low end, good mids, good highs. A little tinny on the high end, but not too bad. The low end was the impressive thing, which you don't see much with these. Now I have to say that this is, I think, a generation or two old. This little piece of junk right here, and they have made a better version of the Dot. So take that for what you will. But why is everybody so psyched about this guy? Well, this is finally an affordable HomePod. They came out with the HomePod, a couple of years ago or something like that. Uber expensive, over 300 bucks, right? I don't have 300 bucks. Do you have 300 bucks to blow on a speaker? No, of course we don't. So they finally gave us a speaker along the lines of these two, right? That is affordable, 100 bucks. So let's take a look here. Now, this is the black guy. And he's got this cloth on the outside and the Siri screen up top, which is quite cool. And then let's actually put that aside, and we'll pull out the rest of what's in here. It's got some papers, blah blah blah. Let's see, nothing important there. We do get a power brick, which is good. That was a big question that people were asking. We did get one. And a departure from a lot of Apple products, pretty much every Apple product, is that this braided cable, which is premium, is connected. So if you can see right there, it is connected, and you can't, it ain't coming off, which can be a positive and a negative, I guess. Little sticker on the bottom there. I see it as a positive because you'll never lose the cable. You might lose this. This is specifically a USB-C, so all those USB-A power bricks, wall wart connectors that you have won't work. So it has to be USB-C. So that's pretty much it. There's not much to it there. That's pretty much the guy right there. So let's pop open the white one and we'll compare them together. Blech. Haha, there he is. Same stuff, same wall wart, papers, all that good stuff. So there they are, 1 and 2. Not too bad right there, eh? Now, if you compare them to these two guys, a little bit taller, about as wide as the Google Home Mini. Who cares about that? We should just put that aside. But then here they are right here. We've got the two cables, and that's a comparison overhead there between the Home Mini and the HomePods. And like I said, this actually sounds pretty good, so I'm interested to see how it sounds compared to this. Obviously, you won't be able to hear it over this, But let's plug these in and we'll see how they sound. Ooh, there we go. Took a second there for it to, can you see that? That looks cool. So this came up, says setup. We'll go ahead and set this up. I think we're gonna put this in the kitchen. So we'll set it up in the kitchen. Okay, center the HomePod in the frame. So we're gonna take this. Oh, there it goes, setting up. There we go.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, what's the forecast?
It's currently clear and 66 degrees. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon.
Dude.
Temperatures are heading down from 66 degrees to 54 tonight.
Not too shabby. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
This one's for the kids. Why did the dolphin cross the bay? To get to the other tide.
I must be a kid because that was pretty funny. All right, so that one's plugged in. Let's put that one aside. And let's get the black one set up. Hey, there he is. That's some good bass. I'm not gonna lie, that actually sounds pretty good. Just from that little startup chime. Okay, we'll set this bad boy up. We're gonna put this one in the let's see. Basement. There we go. And it's lighting up white. That's kind of cool. I didn't think that was possible on that, but let's take a look. Okay, we're gonna center this. Boom. Yeah. Okay, we're setting up again. That's cool though, that the white pulsating light on black. That looks awesome. Let's play some music. I'm going to actually play it off my iPad because I have all my music on here. Not too bad. It's not too bad. Let's crank it up here. Not bad. I don't think you'd need it much louder than that, but not too bad. I like that. So let's go ahead and kill all those. Okay. So, sounds really good actually. I'm surprised on the low end that they're able to get out of this. It does sound better than this, I will say. This it has some low end, but not as much as this. This, I think, is a little bit scooped in the mids, as the Google Home Mini is. It's not as brittle as this guy is in the high end. The other thing that I noticed, you probably saw me turning this around like this, is that it's even around, you know, no matter where you're sitting, it's even coverage. So you're not, you know, on traditional speakers, this would be the front, right? This would be the front, correct. And then this back, it'd just be all muffled because the high end only travels, it's directional, right? So the low end's omnidirectional. So you hear the low end, you don't hear the high end, which usually comes out of the front. But this, obviously they have, I think you guys have seen some of the drawings, they have little woofers and tweeters all up in this thing. And it sounds really good. We'll do kind of a full review, hopefully, here in the future, and kind of dig a little bit deeper on how to set these guys up. We'll set them up as a stereo pair, all that fun stuff. But first impressions, they sound really good. That's why I got 2 of them. I think these will be a great addition, replacing these guys. And plus, you know what? I mean, I've got an iPad, I've got an iPhone, I've got everything's Apple TVs, I've got like 5 Apple TVs. I'm in the ecosystem, so these will help immensely in that ecosystem. So I think for now, we'll go with 2, maybe more in the future. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the HomePod Minis, and they're only $100, which it's a steal. These guys I think will be well worth picking up. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll be notified when we upload new videos. We also do a stream each week, so you guys can tune into that. And then we're also over on Twitter and Instagram at HiTech on Life. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.